Do you know you can create amazing animations on your video using CapCut? In this video, I am going to be teaching you how you can create animations on your video using CapCut. So, for this lesson, I'm going to be using this picture of the earth and the picture of the helicopter. So first of all, I'll bring this picture of the earth to my timeline. So this is it. I'm just going to increase the duration like this. So next, I'm going to be removing this white background. To do that, I will simply come to remove BG, click on it, then I come to chroma key, I click on it, then I come to this white background here, select it and then click on it, and now the white background is gone. So I'm going to reduce the size of this like this, then I'll bring it down. So next, I'm going to be clicking on text. So I'll bring this text to my timeline. Here, I'm going to increase the duration. I'll take it up like this. So for my text, I'm just going to add something like a dash, like this. So I'll bring it down a bit, like this. So I'm going to be making it look curved. So I'll scroll down, click on curve. I'm going to increase the strength of the curve to like 150 degrees. So this is it. I'll just bring it down a bit like this. So I'm going to be creating a compound click from this curved dash lines. So I'll right click, click on create compound clip, and this is it. So I'll come to video, click on it, then I click on mask, click on add mask, then I click on split. So I'll scroll down, increase the feather to like 4, and then I'll rotate it like this. Or I can make it the other way around, like this. I can make it go like this, clockwise, like this. So to remove this dash, I'm going to take it down. So this is it. So next, I'm going to be adding a keyframe at the beginning of the video here. So I come to position, I click on this diamond shape here, come to rotation, also click on it, and then I move this line to the end of the video, and then I rotate this like this. So as you can see, another keyframe has been added here. So if we play the video, you see it like this. So at this point, I'm going to be bringing in my helicopter picture. So I come to media, I select the helicopter and bring it down to my timeline. So I'm going to increase the duration like this. So I'm also going to be removing the white background on the helicopter. I'll come to remove PG, come to chroma key, move here, click on it. Then I'll reduce the size of the helicopter like this. rotate it like this. Mhm. I think this is okay. Now take this line to the beginning of the video. This is it. Just adjust it a bit. Okay. So since the line is here at the beginning of the video now, so I'll come to basic. I'll click on this position and rotate here. So as you can see, the first keyframe has been created. So I'll take this line to the end. Then I will begin to move my helicopter following the paths of the dash lines like this. So if you play the video, it's gonna be something like this. So this is it. So another way we can create this is, first we are going to make this helicopter a compound clip. So you right click, you click on create compound clip. So this is it. So at the beginning of the video, I'm going to create a keyframe on position and rotate here and here. So I'll take this line to the end of the video here, and then I will begin to rotate the helicopter along the dashed lines like this. So bring it there, rotate, bring down, rotate, bring down, rotate, bring down, just like that. Just like that, till you get to the very end of the line like this. So if you play our video, it's going to play like this. So as you can see, the helicopter is following the paths of the dash. So this is going to be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video or learned one or two things, please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.